everyone, welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari. In SwiftUI, one of the most common problems beginners face is this: you change the settings, close the app, and everything resets. In this video, I will show you how to fix that using app storage, the simplest way to save the data in SwiftUI. By default, SwiftUI views forget their data when the app restarts. That's fine for buttons and animations, but not for user settings. So, for example, if you wanted to save any dark mode, notification on and off, user preference, so setting should be stay saved even after the app is closed. Let's start with state. So normally we use state to store values in a view, but state only lives as long as the view lives. When the app restarts, state also resets. So what if you want the same simplicity but with saving? App storage is a property wrapper that looks like state, but it automatically saves the value using user defaults. Think of like app storage as state plus persistence. This tells like SwiftUI, I want these values to be saved. This is the key used to store the value in user defaults. If you change this key, the saved value is also lost. This is the default value when the app runs for the first time. Suppose @app storage is dark mode and is dark mode equals to false. Then we will be showing it in the UI. Like the toggle button is on and off. This works exactly like state. The $sign creates a binding. Let's just run the application. Notice like I didn't write any save or load code. SwiftUI handles everything for us. Like when we want to use app storage. Use app storage for small pieces of data like settings. Example, dark mode, username, and app preference. So we should not use it for large data or complex models. If you are building a setting screens in SwiftUI, app storage should be your first choice. It's simple, safe, and built right into SwiftUI. In next video, I'll be showing more SwiftUI concept. Thank you so much for watching.